What is insurance? Insurance protects you during an unexpected event like death, illness, or accident. Why is it important to have insurance? Having insurance gives you peace of mind. There are many types of insurance products. Shop around for the most appropriate insurance products for you. Speak to a financial advisor. As medical costs are constantly rising, having health insurance is very important. Hospitalisation insurance protects you from those big medical bills. Is insurance only for the rich? No, insurance is something that everyone should have. When you are young, it is easy to feel invincible. You may feel like you don't need protection insurance because nothing bad will ever happen to you. The truth is, bad things can happen to anyone anytime. That's why it's so important to have an insurance plan. You will sleep better. If you get an accident or become disabled, your policy may provide benefits to help you live comfortably while you cannot work. There are many types of insurance products like life, disability, health, motor, and home insurance. Let's go through some. Life insurance provides financial protection in the event of your death. It can be used to help your loved ones cover expenses like funeral costs, outstanding debts, or everyday living expenses. The disability insurance policy provides financial protection if you become disabled and cannot work. It can help you cover expenses like medical bills, rehabilitation costs, and lost income if you become disabled for some reason or incident. As the name suggests, this plan covers your hospital bills. This is a must-have for everyone. The homeowner's insurance policy provides financial protection for your home and belongings in the event of a fire or theft. It can help you cover the cost of repairs or replacement and any personal belongings that may be lost or damaged. When you have finally decided to purchase protection insurance, be sure to consult with a personal financial consultant who can help you choose the right policy for your needs. They will be able to help you through the process of choosing a policy and understand the different coverage options available. Thank you for watching this far. The above is not financial advice and is only for educational purposes. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe and share this with your friends. Now, let's carry on. When it comes to buying insurance, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. First, get educated and engage a financial advisor. Second, you need to make sure that the policy covers what you need it to cover. Third, you need to make sure that you can afford the premiums. Insurance protection is a long-term commitment, so you'll want to ensure the policy is within your budget. The right decision can entirely change your life, but a small mistake in choosing the wrong insurance product may lead to a heavy financial loss. So it is necessary to find the right policy to protect you and your family. Thank you for watching. The above is not financial advice and is only for educational purposes. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe and share this with your friends.